So hey guys, if you are watching this, then this is my first video on this YouTube channel. I am Kalen Roach and welcome to my college dorm movie video! Hey! So it is now August 26th. It's now around 2:40 in the morning. Our flight is at 5:15, but I really hope that you like this video. I have to go and say goodbye to my cats and yeah, just get to the airport and see all my other friends that are traveling. But yeah, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and bye old ass and room. This is my study room. These are my best friends. But yeah, it's time to go.
Keon, where you are? Keon. Keon. And there's Keon. So we are in the airport, guys. Say hi at Azio. And we have Adriel here. And we are going to... Adriel, what is it? Movie!
Alright, y'all. Hold on, let me get a little. Oh, just like we're doing the most. We have way too much energy at this time in the morning. It's currently
Movie day!
It's currently 4:23, and the squad is here.
Energy.
I don't know why. Like we were just crying, so I don't know why we.
Movie day!
Is there who is how does Adriel have more energy than you? And you're the one that watches
all the moving
all the
vlogs
moving
and
vlogs,
things. I don't
every single-
understand. I got the voice, y'all. I pick up the energy.
Look, Adriel was
I've been
serious.
saving it in. I've been saving it for this right moment. Let's go, y'all.
Yo guys, y'all wanna know where we at? Where we at? We outside, baby. We are in PR Court Airport and yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this new journey to start. And yeah, let's get to moving. We're going to go through immigration so that we can be able to go to our school. Yeah. So yeah, exciting.
Y'all, we vibing.
So guys, we're in the Lizzie Customs area of the airport. So yeah, just look at all these stuff. Yes, that Adriel is gonna buy for us, right Adriel?
Yeah, right, Adriel.
So hi guys, so we are still at the airport. So basically, we are going to be like 1 hour late because there was a mix up with transportation and what's not. But yeah, we're just exploring the different food items that they have in Trinidad. This is pretty cool. But this is too close up. But yeah.
So yeah guys, so this is her dorm room. Yeah, window, bed. Here's AZL.
I'll give it, yeah. So the bathrooms, no.
I don't think you want to show the bathroom.
Yeah, we could just get the bathroom. Yeah, we saw the shower. So the camera, yeah. Mirror, sorry. Then this is Israel's room.
Welcome to the crib.
Correct. You can see how he transformed this one. Okay, guys, so we did our bed first. We don't have any pillows, so we're gonna go on shop and get some, and just have to organize our clothes. But yeah, it's coming along pretty great. Good morning, vlog. It is now Saturday, August 27th, and we are heading to church. Well, USC has their program. That's just AZL. You could just show the camera. Yeah. Let me show y'all the view. What? Immaculate. But yeah, we're getting shot one after church finished. I'm over there, right. Hey guys, no, I know that I didn't get to update you guys in a while, but it's now August 28th, like around 1, and today was mad. So after church, we just ate some lunch with some of my friends, and then went to this pretty great concert. I know that y'all see them snaps, but yeah, the concert was mad. But anyways, tomorrow we are going to Estate with all of the people living on Durham, so that's going to be some new content. But right now I'm just gonna try to pack away some of my clothes and then call it a night. Right, so we'll start at the bottom one first. So in this bottom drawer we have some shorts, we have socks, we have my joggers, I have my shorts, my jeans pants, my church pants, and my pajamas. In the drawer above we have the rest of my clothes. So these are my church shirts over here. We have my polos here, my athletic like dry fit shirts here. Then the rest are just like normal tees that we have. And yeah, so we're finished with the clothes and shorts. Guys, so I did a day all since this morning, but we are in the USC's auditorium and we are preparing for freshman orientation that is tomorrow. So we have Adja here with us. We have a team of volunteers that's working. So tomorrow's gonna be a big event. But yeah, we're just helping organize and move some stuff for it. So guys, we just came from setting up for orientation. We are currently climbing up Cardiac Hill. Oh, Zaki, that's you behind there?
Yes, sir.
And Kizia, just shut the camera there. Or like she ain't able. But yeah. Good night guys. So I didn't update you guys after orientation. After that we just went and played a few games in the lounge. Played some table tennis, we played some dominoes, and Uno game that only the Ushins know. Anyways, now we're gonna put up our Polaroids. We're already hanging up the lights, so I'm gonna leave a time lapse of that. Then we'll be putting up our
LED lights. So yeah, stay tuned. So, hi vlog. So, we got the wall somewhat done. Just have to fix it up. But we're on to our LEDs. Just sort the vlog. So, we... so, yo, I missed it. I missed it. And yeah, come pick tape. So, we have to go and borrow tape for one of one of the roomies. But yeah, we can be back here. Just slow. So guys, check out the yeah. I got this one once today. Then we have our Israel. Give it a thumbs up. Anyways, guys, y'all need to put Israel for your LED installations.
We all don't want to see the close up on these, boy.
Yeah.
See the mask and shit.
Don't worry about that. But yeah, guys. So we signing off till Mark because we got orientation. But yeah, later. Good morning, everyone. It's now Monday, August 29th, and we have our freshman orientation today. So we have to work the booths with the territorial registration. So we have to get there. We're watching something at the hand. We have to get there pretty soon, so we're gonna go to that. So I'll update you there. Hi guys, so we just got back from doing, we did 2 tours for the new students, but it was really cool. We got to explore the campus. They were really excited to see like what's around it. But now we're going back up to our dorm room. We're gonna get some lunch because it's almost minutes to 4, and we didn't get anything to eat for lunch. Well, my lunch is up the hill, so yeah, we're gonna do that, and hopefully tonight I will update you guys on whatever we do. Yeah. So for the rest of the night, we just started playing Uno, which is really fun because my friend had to pull she had to pull so much cards. But yeah, using Uno is definitely a vibe. Yeah, that was my Monday night. Hi guys, so I have to prepare for our audition for choir. Israel's gonna play a song for me. Yeah, he's gonna be my backup artist this time. So, roll clip.
How great is our God? Take 1. Are you ready, Awazaki?
Are you ready, kids?
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Whoa. Let's see. SpongeBob SquarePants. Of course, he
SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, ready?
The splendor of a king, clothed in majesty. Let all the earth rejoice, let all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself in light, and darkness tries to hide. It trembles at his voice, it trembles at his voice.
Hi vlog, we are going to Estate today. It's just we're currently late.
We're going on swimming theme.
We're gonna swim. Well, I'm not swimming, but the rest are gonna swim. This lake here is nice. But yeah, the list we're on, we have a social and fireworks. So I'll get some film. Try to get some film with that. And yeah, we'll see y'all at Estate. So guys, we're playing hide and seek. Yo, people. Guys, USC is a place to be. If y'all not here, y'all missing it. We are riding.
Transferring of buildings.
Oh.
That's like the kebab.
Another one?
Yeah, we can see.
Sexy the boys. One number 1 boy. One number 40 boy.
So good night, guys. We have finally came to the end of our college dorm move-in video. College life has been so good so far. Very interesting. We make a lot of friends really quick. So it's been really good. And yeah, we have come to the end of our video. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe because we'll be back again with our full dorm room video because we're not finished as yet. We have to get more furniture and some other posters to put around the room. But yeah, when it's finished, we're gonna have that dorm room tour waiting just for you. So comment, subscribe, and really hope you guys would enjoy this video. And this is Kaylin signing off. Bye.